Hello, my beautiful butterflies. Thank you for stopping by. I'm super excited about these little paper cups. Let's do something fun. I'm taking two of these tops. I've glued both of them together using hot glue. I've taken some of the little flower mesh and a single strip of the diamond wrap and just placed it right around. I've glued my two tops to one of my paper cups. I've also added a single strip of the diamond wrap. Each cup I have taken and placed some flower mesh around the pink and the white. For this top, I've placed some diamond wrap just all the way around. I've taken some of these Walmart gems and just placed them at the bottom of my piece. I added some flower mesh to the center of both of my cups. I didn't like the way that the bling wrap by itself turned out. Every few spaces, I've placed a little piece of the diamond wrap just in a single strip. And then I'm also doing it at the bottom, and I'm adding one little piece of diamond mesh at each of those end points, and I'll be finishing up here. These stems are from Dollar Tree flowers, and so whenever I just use the flowers, sometimes I'll keep a few of these around for just little projects such as this. I also got these little butterflies. These are from the Wish app. Inside, I have added some cellophane wrap just to plump up the top. I've then added the little single petals from Dollar Tree that you can find in the baby section. I'm going to be adding one more butterfly to the side of my piece. I haven't figured out where yet. And also, these little gems that are in the center, I got those from Walmart. What a cute little project it turned out. I love pink and black together.